Okay, my general setup when I paint on plein air is I use the pochade box. This is the Alla Prima pochade box that I use. You can mount it on a tripod or just set it down on a table, which is what I plan to do on the cruise ship. So I'm spinning it around like this. It uses magnets. So you pop that, you lift it up. Inside here, you can keep your panels, basically. So when you have the panels that you want to paint on, and I keep some in here that are stained, and that works great. So when you're finished, you can actually put the painting you worked on right back in here. And in fact, there are different little things in here that can store different sizes of panels. But this is the 8x10. So I push this up, and then I'm all ready to mount a board, a canvas or a panel. And so you have a spring-loaded thing that will hold your canvas horizontally or vertically to a limited size. And they make different pochade boxes in different sizes for different canvas sizes. So this is my basic setup. Typically, I have a piece of glass here that for oils that I would scrape out. But these days, I tend to use a piece of, it's like saran wrap kind of. It's a certain type of wrap that's kind of sticky. So I'll lay it down in there, line it all up, and then trim off the edges, and then I will paint on that. And at the end of the day, or 2 days or 3 days or whatever, I'll just pull it out and put a fresh one in. So I don't have to scrape, basically. So the rest of this setup is basically where everything is hidden on the side here. So it comes out and it locks in place. This little tray comes out and attaches over here on the side. You can put brushes in the holes here, or just lay things on the side as a work surface. And then this side is where all my paints are. I have a few little wingdings that I made. There are magnets in this box that really are helpful. And this is something I just basically made with some really heavy gauge wire to put on the side here. And then I can use on my little baby ball stick. It's a brace to brace my hand in different locations. So, of course, I have brushes that I typically have are assortment brushes, and I just put them in this container, and it adjusts, and it keeps them safe, keeps the bristles safe from getting smudged and things like that. And of course, brushes, I have, like I said, a lot of different brushes. This is one of the ones I like taking. These are the Princeton travel brushes. Basically, it comes apart like that. It goes in there, you paint all you want, pop it out, put it back in, and stow it away. Great for traveling. And that's basically my setup.
Thanks for joining me in my studio. If you enjoyed this video, you'll also probably enjoy watching the videos I've linked on the screen. Be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you're ready for more in-depth lessons, consider enrolling on one of my online courses where I teach classical painting techniques for landscape painters. You can find all my classes at laynejohnson.com or click on the link in the description below.